Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and today we are giving away this. Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and today we have a very special package for you. So at Mr. Phone, we aim at making very interesting tech videos for all of you, and you guys seem to like it, which is why we have not stopped and we had continued making more such videos. So thank you so much for being a part of this family, and with all the love that you guys have been showering on us, we thought that you deserve a little gift. So today we are quite literally giving away a little gift, and now that product is going to come in my hand quite magically. So today we have the X Mini Click 2, and X Mini was kind enough to send this over to us, and they wanted this to give to one of our special users. So this is a giveaway, but before jumping into all the details, let's unbox this thing, because from the name this sounds really tiny, and it also says that this is the actual size. So the image that you're seeing is the actual size of the product, but I'm not sure if that's going to be really true, but let's get inside the box. I am as excited as you are. So we get into the box. So that is the X Mini Click 2. Let that be there. And let's open this box right in front of your eyes. I'm sure with all the throwing that we've been doing, okay, the product is safely up top. So here is the X Mini Click 2, and oh my god, how tiny is that? Okay, it's a little difficult to get out, but okay. That is probably the smallest Bluetooth speaker I've ever seen. And it's really well built, so it's metal. It's actually quite cold as I took it out of the box. It's a really well built speaker. So let's now take a look at the X Mini itself. It's actually quite small. I don't think you can see the speaker in my hand right now. That's how small it is. This is called the X Mini Click 2. Now the click name comes from the click button that's below. That's only the single button that you can find on the Click 2, and you can use that click for a lot of things. That basically acts as a power button, and you can also use it to turn on Bluetooth. There's also a very interesting thing that I just read on the box of the Click 2, and it says that once you've connected it to your phone, you can actually use that click to take pictures. That's how awesome it is. So you actually don't have to worry about anything. You can take on a selfie stick, you can put this phone anywhere you want, you can put it on a stand and just use this in your hand. It's so compact, it goes inside your pocket, and you can use this to click pictures or maybe even start videos. We'll check that out very soon. Let's now connect X Mini to my phone, and let's see how the audio quality comes out, because I'm not really expecting a lot because it's so small. And if you are wondering, this is the Honor 10. The review of this is coming very soon, so stay subscribed if you want to see that. If you have any questions and if you want anything added in the review, please let me know that in the comment section down below. So let me connect this to my phone. So my Bluetooth is on. So now we've connected the phone to the speaker, and the volume is at 50%, and let's go ahead and listen to it. Okay. The sound is good enough. It's not loud, but that's because it's at 50%. It's such a small speaker, but oh, okay, the sound is good. Let's now increase the volume. Oh, that's crazy. I don't know how well the microphone is able to pick how loud this is, but this is literally filling up the whole room, and I can't hear myself speak right now. I am really impressed with how loud this thing can go. There are people standing outside and looking at us because it's so freaking loud. So now that we've looked into the audio quality, there's one little thing left to do. As I read on the box, you can click pictures using the X Mini Click 2. It really does justify the name. So let's see if it does that. So I think you can see me here, and if this doesn't work, this is going to be the lamest video ever. But yes, there's the Click 2. Here's me. It clicked. Holy shit. So I think you can really understand that you could go crazy with this click, and I'm telling you that this click is very addictive. So moving on to the better part of the video, we are giving away the X Mini Click 2. So this is going to be going to one of you people, and you just have to follow a few simple steps for that. So like subscribing to the YouTube channel, visiting our Facebook page, visiting X Mini's Facebook page, and also going to our Instagram and Facebook and tagging all your friends to this. So as many people as you tag, your chances of winning increases. Thank you again X Mini for collaborating with us on this giveaway, and a little surprise for all of you guys. If you don't win this giveaway, don't worry, because there's another one also coming up very soon in collaboration with X Mini. So stay subscribed for that. that, enter this giveaway in the few simple steps given in the description below. And thank you so much for watching. This is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and I'll catch you in the next one.